Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Sam, and today I am going to tell you a story about a town and a virus. This is the town, and these are the people in the town. The people like to party. The people like to party. The people like to party. The people like to socialize. But there is a problem. In the town, there is a virus. This is the virus. The virus makes the people sick. The virus makes the people in the town sick. In the town, there is a doctor. This is the doctor. The doctor tells the people to stay home. Stay home and practice social distancing. Social distancing is when people stay away from each other. Social distancing is when people stay away from each other. The doctor wants the people in the town to practice social distancing and stay home. Stay home. But the people don't listen to the doctor. The people keep partying. The people keep partying. The doctor is frustrated because the people don't listen to her. She wants the people to stay home and practice social distancing. Then she has an idea. She makes a TikTok video. In the video, she tells the people to eat onions. She tells the people to eat onions and stop bathing. She tells people to eat onions and stop bathing. She tells people to stop taking showers and baths. Now, the people listen to her. Now, the people listen to the doctor. And they start eating lots of onions and they stop bathing. They stop taking showers and baths. After a few days, the people in the town stink. Their breath stinks. from the onions, and their bodies stink from not bathing. The people stink. And now, nobody wants to party. No. Nobody wants to party. Now, nobody wants to be near each other. No. So, everybody in the town stops partying. Everybody stays home. Everybody practices social distancing. And the virus goes away. The virus goes away. That's it. That's the story. I'll see you guys later.